Lecture series of automata theory and compiler design. In the previous video we have seen what is the phases of compiler and what are all the two main phases, that is an analysis and synthesis phase of a compiler, and each phase's input and output, how it is converted. In today's video what we have to see means we are going to see about syntax analyzer. For deriving the syntax analyzer, what are all the issues we have to face and what is the terms we have to remove for constructing the parser. The last video we have seen what is the derivation and how the parse tree is derived from start symbol to the input string. In today's video we are going to see about what is a grammar, how to write the grammar from the regular expression. So already you know that for lexical analyzer phase we are using the regular expression for converting our input statement to the tokens. In the syntax analyzer, using the CFG, it derives the parse tree. So our conversion is regular expression to grammar. So how to convert our regular expression or finite automata to a grammar? The first we will see the difference between the regular expression and the context-free grammar. So the regular expression is used to describe the tokens of the programming language. Context-free grammar is used to represent our parse tree. It is contains that for example it contains a start symbol, protection rules, and what are all the terminals and non-terminals. So it contains the 4 tuples. It is used to the regular expression is used to check whether the given input is valid or is accepted by the transition diagram or automata or not. It is, and CFG are used to check whether the given input is valid or not using the derivations. In the regular expression, the transition diagram, using the transition diagram only we are going to check whether our input statement is accepted or not. So the transition diagram, it is a set of states and edges. The context free grammar is a set of protections. Using the protection we are going to derive the input strings. In the regular expression we don't have any start symbol, but in the CFG we have a start symbol. This is used to describing the regular expression is used to describing the structure of the lexeme in lexical characters into the tokens. That CFG is used to describe our starting non-terminal into the input string. Here we are using the constant keywords like that, but in the CFG we are using the procedure, then parenthesis, matching, so this CFG is used to represents finding whether the given parentheses are equal or not, and matching of function calls. All the terms are represent and checking by the grammar. So this is the main difference between the regular expression to grammar. Now we will see how our regular expression or the transition diagram are converted into the grammar. Here the transition diagram represents the regular expression A or B closure ABB. So the string end with ABB, but before any combination of A or B is accepted by this transition diagram. So the transition diagram is nothing but it is a set of transition from one state to another state. The states are represented by the circle, the transitions are represented by the edges. Here the basic input string is an ABB. So that diagram first we have to draw with the 4 states of 0, 1, 2 and 3. So from the 0th state, when you read A, it goes to the state 1. From 1 it when you read B, it goes to the state 2, and from 2 when you read B, it goes to the state 3. So this is the 3 basic symbols is accepted. So before that we have any combination of A or B, means it is represents by the self loop in the 0th state. So this is the transition diagram. How it is converted into the grammar means, first we start with the for every state we are represents as instead of 0 we are representing a non-terminal. For example, A followed by the 0. So A is 0 is the first state. So A1, A2 and A3. So A is 0, it is a left hand side non-terminus means. So what is the derivations in the right hand side productions rules are, from A naught ல இருந்து என்ன இருக்குதுன்னா, we are having a 3 input transition is there. So A naught, and then B again A naught, and then A again A1. So that transition in the state A naught is written as a productions. Next go to the A1. From the A1 ல இருந்து when you read B அப்படின்னா it goes to the state A2. So A1 tends to be A2, then A2 tends to be A3. In A3 there is a epsilon, there is no transition. So that is the productions, and this is a grammars written by the above regular expressions. So this is the way we can convert our any regular expression in terms of transition diagram is converted into the CFG. Thank you.